Alright guys, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. This will be a very quick one. Valiant and GI, they do blueprints. This is not a typical guitar song, yes, I'm aware of that, but we're gonna cover a little different songs sometimes and try to copy that rhythm going on here. Normally it's very simple to play these kind of songs, and this is no exception from that. 3 chords only. If you use a capo, that's a perfect scenario for us. Play this on this first fret and you have very simple chords. So capo on first. Let's go through the chords, starting with E minor. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have D next. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally we have the C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So we have chord progression that goes E minor, D, C, and back to D, and that just rolls. Now let's learn how to handle the chords. So if you grab the first chord E minor, we have a 2-part strumming here. So the first part goes like this. So it's 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And then it's a short pause before the next part comes, part 2, and that is simply to play down, clap, down. If you connect these 2 parts, it will be like this. Down, up, clap, down, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, clap, down. That's my interpretation of this. You can play this in different ways, but this is how I would play if I would perform this one. Now, you're going to play E minor, 1 full round. That means both parts here. Then you go to D and play the same, 1 full round. Then you go to C and play 1 full round plus part 1, plus down, up, clap, down. And then you quickly change to D and play part 2, down, clap, down. So, together it's E minor 1, D1, C1 plus part 1, and D part 2, like this. And that's it guys, told you, very simple. This is how you handle blueprints. Hope to see you soon guys, next time, play tuned.